Okay, so we're gonna go over the deluxe human brain with arteries, which is this guy right here. Number one, let me scroll down. Number one is the frontal lobe. 2 is our parietal lobe, so they're right there. 3 is going to be the temporal, and 4 is back here with occipital, also stuff we've already seen. 5 is the insula. This is going to be hiding. It's going to be deep within the cerebrum, and so you can see the insula right here. So you can see the brainstem coming up to the thalamus region, and then lateral ventricles, and then the insula right there. So number 6 is the hippocampus. It's going to be buried deep within the cerebrum, so you can see that right there, number 6. 7 we've already touched on, but this is one of the lateral ventricles. This one is the left. 8 is for corpus callosum. You can see that right there. Fornix is number 9, right there. 10 is our internal carotid artery, which you can see right here. It's kind of an unusual, it looks a little messy, but that is supposed to be 10. 11 is our middle cerebral artery, which you can see running right here. 12 is the anterior cerebral artery right there, heading anteriorly. 13 is our posterior cerebral artery, and it's kind of hard to see, but here it is, and it'd be running back that way. 14 is the basilar artery right there, and 15 is for the vertebral arteries. Now we're looking at the cerebellum. So number 16 is just the vermis of the cerebellum right there. 17 is just indicating the 2 different hemispheres of the cerebellum. 18 is the superior cerebellar artery. 19 is the anterior inferior cerebellar artery, and 20 right there is the posterior inferior cerebellar artery. Next, we're going to look at the diencephalon region, so right in here. 21 is our thalamus right there. 22 is the hypothalamus, and if you follow that down or down through the infundibulum, you get to the pituitary gland, also known as the hypophysis, which sits in the hypophyseal fossa or sella turcica of the sphenoid bone. 24 is our optic nerve, which you can see that running forward. 25 is right here. This is our pineal body. It's labeled, let me see if I can take this apart. Sorry, this is a little messy. Okay, so 25, the pineal body. 26 is the medial geniculate body. You can see that right there. And 27 is the lateral geniculate body. Now we're looking at the mesencephalon, which is really getting more into the brainstem as we head down this structure. So 28, you can see right there. That's our superior colliculi. 29 is the inferior colliculi. 30 right here is the trochlear nerve. And then 31 that I just lost. 31, cannot for the life of me get this to work, sorry guys, is that structure right there, and that is our oculomotor nerve. So right there. We're going to wrap up this video looking at the pons and medulla oblongata, so finishing up the brainstem. So this is our pons. 32 is indicating the trigeminal nerve. 33 right here is indicating the abducent nerve. 34 is for facial. 35 is for the vestibulocochlear. 36 right here is indicating the pyramidal tracts, so you can just call it the pyramid. 37 is this guy right here, and that's the olive. 39, well 38 rather, and 39. I don't feel like they give a good line of demarcation, but 38 is supposed to be indicating the glossopharyngeal, 39 is for vagus, 40 is for spinal accessory. I think that one looks pretty good. And then 41 right over here is for our hypoglossal nerve.